The governor and the Raj Bhavan is not the place to prove the majority. It is the floor of the house where the majority has to be proved. So governor just cannot make a time pass of showing that he is calling Vijay and just sending him with the same message. When he called on him yesterday, it was the same thing. Today also it's the same thing. What has changed? Nothing has changed. So why Honorable Governor has to call Vijay if there is nothing changed? Now, as per the laid down practice in India that is followed, democratic practices that are followed, various Supreme Court judgments are there, and Sarkaria Commission is very clear on its observations and the guidelines. In the case the hung assembly, where no single party is getting the majority, at that time the government is under obligation to invite the single largest party and give him time to prove the majority on the floor of the house. Rajbhavan kitchen or Rajbhavan dining hall or Rajbhavan garden is not the place to prove the majority. It is the floor of the house as per the constitution, as per the laid down laws. So governors should not behave like a BJP president in Tamil Nadu. So governor is responsible to the people of Tamil Nadu, to the constitution. He should not come under the pressure of Amit Shah or Narendra Modi ji that they want to control Tamil Nadu. What they are right now doing is they are trying to frustrate the newly elected MLAs, TVK party, to whom the people of Tamil Nadu has blessed with giving them the single largest party status. What Sarkaria Commission says, in such situation, you first invite the single largest party to form the government. In case he fails, then invite the pre-poll alliance together. If they also fail, then call the post-poll alliance. Now, governor is bypassing all the practices. Same thing they have done in 2017 in Goa. Out of 40, Congress had won 17 seats. Same time in Manipur, out of 60, Congress has won 28 seats. Just short of 3, both the states. But without inviting them, they invited the BJP to form the government. So that means it's very clear that governor's office is being used by the BJP to take a control. Now in Tamil Nadu, BJP has only one MLA. Now BJP is trying to control Tamil Nadu government by using the governor. Fortunately, governor also hails from Goa, from where I hail. He is having a RSS background. So BJP wants to control Tamil Nadu using governor who has a strong RSS background, and this is not acceptable to the people of Tamil Nadu. People of Tamil Nadu have given only one MLA to BJP. BJP should not try to rule Tamil Nadu by using one MLA, using the office of governor is not acceptable. People of Tamil Nadu will not accept it. Governor should follow the laid down practices. The Supreme Court is very clear. Sarkaria Commission is very clear. He should follow this practice and immediately invite Vijay. If Vijay fails to prove the majority, then he should exploit the other options.
My last question is, how do you see Mr. Stalin yesterday? He said he will give a chance to the government, BJP to run the government for 6 months. After that, he will react. Now the other parties also, CPI, CPM, all have come, even Hassan has come forward and saying the governor should give the chance. How do you see this coming up?
So I welcome the decision of the outgoing Chief Minister, Stalin ji, that they don't want BJP to be in Tamil Nadu. It's a good statement. Yesterday, a lot of media were running a lot of speculations, which were maybe believed planted stories or whatever it is, just to create a confusion among the people and the various political parties. It's good that he has come out with a very strong and clear statement that he wants to give an opportunity. It's a welcoming statement. We welcome it. We appeal all those political parties who has always opposed BJP, who worked in a secular way, which are secular parties, to come out, support the mandate of the people. Support the mandate of the people, and also those who are claiming to be secular, also this is the time that they should prove to the people of Tamil Nadu, don't betray the people of Tamil Nadu.
Chennai Silks in summer mega sale. Chennai Silks summer mega sale.
The Chennai Silks in Mega Summer Sale.